The widow of conservative influencer Charlie Kirk is now formally pushing the court to move faster. Erika Kirk has reportedly filed to invoke her rights to a speedy trial in the case against the man accused of killing her husband during a rally at Utah Valley University last September. The move comes as the defense and prosecution spar over whether the Utah County Attorney's Office should even be allowed to prosecute the case at all.
County Attorney's Office, who informed us back in October that there was a family member of a prosecutor who was present at Utah Valley University at the Charlie Kirk rally.
Charlie Kirk was fatally shot during a political rally at Utah Valley University in September. 22-year-old Tyler James Robinson is charged with aggravated murder and other offenses in connection with the killing. Robinson appeared in court on Friday, January 16th, as attorneys argued over a defense motion to disqualify the Utah County Attorney's Office from handling the prosecution. At the center of Friday's proceedings were delay, conflicts of interest, and victims' rights under Utah law. Erika Kirk has been designated as the official victim representative in the case. On Friday, her attorney reportedly filed a motion invoking her statutory right to a speedy trial, arguing that the defense is causing what they describe as undue delay in the criminal justice process. As per reports, in the filing, Erika's attorney emphasized that, quote, nobody believed in the importance of the United States Constitution more than Charlie Kirk. Erika Kirk's attorney emphasized that while Robinson is entitled to a fair trial, he is not entitled to cause unnecessary delays. Utah law gives crime victims the right to a speedy disposition of the charges, free from unwarranted delay caused by or at the behest of the defendant. While the filing reportedly does not specify exactly which delay it refers to, it is widely understood to be connected to the defense's motion to disqualify prosecutors. Back in December, Robinson's attorneys filed a motion arguing that the Utah County Attorney's Office has a conflict of interest. The defense claims that a senior prosecutor's adult daughter witnessed the shooting and that the prosecutor's personal connection to a witness creates a concurrent conflict of interest. They emphasized they were not questioning the prosecutor's integrity, but argued that trauma connected to the event could impact decision-making in the case. The defense asked the court to refer the issue to the Utah Attorney General's office instead.
And so we're very concerned that even going forward with an evidentiary hearing where members of the Utah County Attorney's Office are both litigating as representatives of the state in a prosecution and essentially defending their own propriety of proceeding in this prosecution is problematic. What we think the court should do is the court should strike the Utah County Attorney's response to our motion and direct the Attorney General to take up the responsibility for responding to our motion in whichever way clearly non-conflicted attorneys representing the state think they should, how it should be responded to.
Prosecutors strongly rejected the claim. They argued that the adult daughter is only one of thousands of people present at the rally and had no direct knowledge of the murder itself. They further stated that her emotional reaction was comparatively minor and that she was not close to Charlie Kirk at the time of the shooting. According to the prosecution, no conflict of interest exists, and the court already has the authority to decide the issue without involving the Attorney General's office.
I just think this is ambush and another stalling tactic to delay these proceedings. There's no reason that they could not have at least filed the motion and asked for time to brief it.
4th District Court Judge Tony Graff weighed the arguments carefully. He ruled that there was not enough evidence at this stage to automatically refer the matter to the Utah Attorney General's office. However, he allowed the defense to continue gathering evidence, including through an evidentiary hearing. The defense stated it intends to call multiple witnesses, including the deputy county attorney, an investigator, and the family member who witnessed the shooting. The evidentiary hearing will continue when the case returns to court. The evidentiary hearing is set to continue on February 3, 2026 at 1 p.m. At that time, questioning of Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray will resume, followed by additional witnesses. Meanwhile, Erika Kirk's request for a speedy trial adds new pressure to an already closely watched case amid intense public scrutiny.